Hey guys, it's me. So it's your girl GEMN here, back with another video. I'm sorry that I didn't post. I was supposed to have another video posted on Wednesday. Didn't happen because your girl been in a lot of pain. My back been on 10. I felt like somebody kicked me in my back. She probably did. And I just was not in the mood to even edit this video, but now I'm editing it, and guess what time it is? It's 1 a.m. like always. But anyways, but before we get into this video, if you have not done so yet, if you are new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, whatever, or do none of the above. It's fine. And then if you are returning, what's up? So yeah, this is part 4. So this is like the completion of the practice dress. Like I said, this is a practice dress. This is not my actual baby shower dress. I actually just ordered my fabric today, which today is February 5th. But when I filmed this was back January something. I'll put the date or what the actual date is. You're going to see me piece together. It's actually going to jump into me already, I think, sewing the individual, like, pieces that go over, the flaps that go over the titties. Because I don't think I showed myself cutting them out, which was so stupid. I think I was on the phone. That's probably why. But you'll see in just a second, so stay tuned. Let me get off y'all screen. Y'all can get back to what I was doing. Okay. We are practicing. This is not how I want the dress, but this is like one of the flaps that goes over the boobs. I just sewed it on the sides. I probably should have did straight stitch and not zigzag, but it's fine. It's fine. But this is how it came out. And then I'm going to do the other side. I didn't do anything on this because it's going to get stitched onto the dress, so the bottom part is not worried about right now until it gets sewn on. So I'm about to do this side, and I'm about to record myself doing it so we can get this started. So the goal is just not to tuck it in too much, just make it a clean fold so it can have like that fold to it, you know? All right, so I'm gonna record myself doing that in just a second. Okay, so this is like my second time recording this because the first time I was recording it, I sounded atrocious, yawning every 15 seconds. It was horrible. So I'm here recording this again. So your girl here, I am pinning both sides, like maybe a centimeter in to... Honestly, it's kind of hard to describe because, like I said, I am not a fashion designer or a seamstress. I am just going based on what looks right. So right here, I'm making sure both sides are about the same size. Because continue what I was trying to explain. I took like a centimeter in, folded the fabric in, and pinned it. So that's where I will sew it together. I end up doing zigzag stitch when I should have did straight stitch, and I think I already explained that. I think, but yeah. Yeah, so I went in with the sewing machine. It probably took me, I want to say maybe 10 to 15 minutes to do the one flap. I'm not sure, honestly. Or, I don't know, probably 10 minutes at the most. Who knows? I honestly, who keeps track? Not me, obviously, for multiple reasons. Yeah, so once I did that, I did go slowly. So as you can see here, it looks fast, but in reality, I was actually going really slow. I just sped up the video, so this video don't be 3 hours long. And then after I do the flap, I knot the string so we don't want it to unravel. And I'm about to actually lay the skirt out so I can see how I want the flaps to be. You'll see me on the floor crawling everywhere and everything. So yeah. I was laying them in different like angles to make sure, like, do I want the flap this way or do I want it a gap, or I didn't know how I want it. But like I said, this is a practice dress, so I was just practicing. And then I realized, okay, I need to sew the flaps together first, the 2 flaps, and then sew it onto the skirt. So that's why I had to try on the skirt to see how I want it. As you see me in the mirror trying to get that together. From a back view, I look like I'm built like an ironing board. But yeah, so I flipped the skirt inside out so I can pin the flaps on. Now, this is where I messed up because it was late in this video. I remember it was like late at night. I didn't have to work, so I was like, why not? I'll just stay up. So I put the flaps on, pinned it. So when I went on the sewing machine, yeah, you will see in just a second. It was kind of a waste of time because I really thought I pinned it onto the skirt like really good, but obviously I didn't. And when I put it on the machine, on the sewing machine, it started like buckling and like I don't know what happened. It just looked a mess. That's why you see me keep lifting the fabric up, and I was just mad. So I just cut the string, and I had to come in a whole nother day to fix it. So the next day after this, that's when I said F it. I went to sleep and redid it the next day because I was tired. I just couldn't do it no more. But so yeah, you see me here. I actually got a horrible angle. I'm sorry about the angle. I tried my hardest. I was trying to get it done so I can see if I sewn everything on correctly, and this time I did. So when I put it all together, I'm actually going to show you, but before I actually show you, I end up cutting the fabric off, like the excess fabric, so it's like an inch of it or something like that. So I end up cutting an inch off from the dress, so when you put it on, you ain't Lumpty Dumpty Humpty. And I tried it on, so you're gonna see in just a second what it looks like on after I finish cutting the excess fabric off. Well, it was also some parts that kind of sewed on a little too much to the excess fabric, so I had to cut around it. But when I put it on, you still couldn't tell. And I ended up making a belt, so you didn't see that. I didn't record myself making the belt. It was kind of like a last minute thing. Because maybe I think it's the material, so it looked a little weird on my boobs. So I had to make a belt to like tighten it underneath. So yeah, I don't... Honestly, I think it came out good. Like, you about to see here. I think it came out decent. This is what it looked like when I sewed it on. Okay, so here's the dress. It was a tad bit big, but I'm not lifting my arms up because I gotta go wax. This is the dress that I created in under 3 days. This is not my baby shower dress. This is a practice dress. This is just to see if I even got the basics down. Of course, this is not the style I want. But I was just testing the waters to see if I can even do it. And since I had leftover fabric in the house, why not figure it out? All the way down. And God, he's in the fucking way, like always. Hey, sir. 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 Move. Okay. So, it's like a mermaid style, so let me kick it out. All right, so here's this dress. It's very simple. It's not the best, but it's definitely very good for my first time. Never touched a sewing machine before, none of that. And this is how it came out. So, yeah, because I'm about to hop in the shower. It's like 11 o'clock. But yeah, it's stretchy, like I said, it's breathable. This is not, like I said, what I would wear. This is not the style I want, but I just wanted to do a dress just to see if I could do it. Really. So, yeah. This is how it came out. I think it came out very, very good for my first try. Learned in 3 days. Learned a sewing machine in 2 hours. Made this dress in 3 days after learning how to use a sewing machine. Never, like I said, I am not a seamstress, I'm not a fashion designer. Never made clothes before. I made pillows, I made covers, I made all that before, but stuff like this, never made. But all right, I am out. If you have not done so yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and see you in the next video. All right, I'm out. Sorry, getting a shower. Oh my gosh, whatever.